and good day. This is the 4-step cure tip number 3. And yes, we're still talking about prayers. When you pray, you need to include your ancestors. Those are people who have passed away. Energy never dies. That's scientifically proven. So we are beings of energy. Where does the energy go? Who's right is right, who's wrong is wrong. I'm not here to debate that. However, if energy never dies, you can never destroy energy. When our loved ones pass on and go to wherever they are needed or wherever they're called, they become your ancestors. They fight for you spiritually. Some battles are not earthly, and I've learned that during one of my initiations. One of the chief priests told me, some battles are not earthly, they're spiritual. And so when you feel that, oh, you've done everything, you haven't. You need to go to your ancestors when you're praying and tell them, clear my way, unblock my blockages, provide me with the strength that I need to carry on for this day. And that is my pushing point for today. Have a wonderful evening.